document into the classroom, the screenshot that shows you how to add video, and that's what you've actually got in here. But what I'm going to do in this is just show you how we can add some colour and some other definition using CSS. And if you remember from the lessons, we put this all within the head tag and below the title. So the first thing I've done is put a style tag in. I've got my closing style tag here. And what I'm going to do, first of all, is I'm going to alter the background colour. So it's body, curly brackets, background, hyphen colour. Remember that we need to put in our colon. And I'm going to go with, I'm going to use the hash because I know I've got 6 nines will give me a nice grey colour that I like. Okay, so that's how I do my body. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to alter the H1 tag, which is this here. So I'm going to put in H1, and then in my brackets I'm going to make it, I'm going to change the font. So I'm going with font, family, and I'm going to put in here Comic Sans MS. Now I want to add something else in there, so what I'm going to do is after I put the semicolon in, I'm going to bring that bracket down and move it in, and the next thing I'm going to do is go for colour, and I'm going to keep it all the same, so I'm going to stick with purple because I quite like that. And and again I'm just going to move the cursor over. I want to add a size, so I'm now going to go for font, and I'm going to pick size, and I'm going to go with, I think, 48 point. Okay, I'm not moving it to the centre, I'm going to leave it where it is for the moment. Once I've finished, I just move my mouse down and go to the next part, which is going to be the P tag. Always remember to save, because if anything happens, you're going to be really upset. So we're going to put this in here for our P tag. Remember, anything that's in a P tag is going to be affected by this. So this sentence here and this sentence here. I'm going to start this with font family. And I don't want it to be too big, but I want it to have a little bit more notice. And so I'm going to set it at 15 point. I'm going to move in. I'm going to go for colour. Again, it's a case of using the same sorts of things. We're going for consistency. Only I put the wrong thing in there. That needed to be a colon. Then I want to put the word purple in. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the, I'm going to change the size, that's the one. I missed something. I'm going to go with font size, and in here I'm just going to put 15 point because I want to be able to see it. Now you'll also see down here, I've got a picture on this side here, and I've altered the image border, so I've put a little curvy edges on it. If you remember, we did that in the lesson. And to do that again, it's just all we're going to do is do image, and then we put in border radius, and you can set this to anything, but anything above 50% doesn't alter. So there's no point, you'll just get an oval. Anything 5% and above will alter the edges of your page here. So that's how we put in our CSS and how we are going to make our document look prettier. So I'll save it and we'll better see whether it works. So there you go, Dexter the mouse, because I think that might be a little bit big. So I'm just going to go back in, and I might just change the point size on that to, let's say 40, and just see whether that fits across the top of the page. There you go, that's better. Now, as I say, I've put into the classroom a screenshot that has the code to show you how to get your videos to work. Because it's nice to be able to put little videos in. So we've got Dexter being very silly and killing the rabbits. And then I've got another one of Dexter when he decided that
Michelle asked, so King explain.
Running around and killing my slippers was a very good idea. He's quite a strange boy. But yeah, so he didn't like my slippers, so he used to run off with them, as you can see. Yeah, so if you've got any questions, obviously just send me a message, and if I can answer them, I will do. And please just follow the step-by-step on here. Remember, you're putting it into whichever page. This is just my second page. You might want to make these alterations on your index page, and you do exactly the same thing. You would just open that index page. But I've got a few. What I have done, which is important if you're going to put video on, is I created a video folder. And what I did is, for me, I made, this is what I would normally have on my Mac, which is a .movie, which works in QuickTime. And all I've done is I've altered it and converted it to an MP4, because that's the most popular. And then I've also added OGG. And OGG is just, it's a very old-fashioned tag ending for a video file or an audio file, because we've used it on that. It tends to work with everything, so that's a sort of backup. But have a look at the screenshot, see how you get on, and if you've got any problems, obviously just send me a message and we will sort them out. Other than that, let's make our web pages look fabulous. Okay, enjoy yourselves, have a lovely weekend. Bye.